Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to fix HP ProBook display issue if you are facing display related issue. If continue beep is coming or the complete black screen is showing. So let's see how you can fix this issue. So as you can see, I'm pressing the power button, but the display is not coming. Let's see how we can fix this issue. So first we'll plug the cable whether battery is fully charged or not, so that also will check. So now I'm pressing the power key again. So let's wait. Okay, so as you can see, this LED is glowing, power LED, so that means the power is on, but still it is not coming. So let's open the back panel and see what we can do. So now let me open quickly. If continuous beep is coming, in that case you have to replace the RAM mostly, or with cleaning also we can fix that issue. But in this case beep is not coming, so maybe it's a different issue. So as you can see, we have two RAM slots. One RAM is connected, another was is empty. And here left hand side corner we have our CMOS battery. So because of CMOS battery also we may face a display issue sometimes. So let's clean the RAM first. If with the cleaning it is working okay, if not, then you have to replace the RAM also. If after cleaning or replacing the RAM still you are facing the same issue, you can plug and unplug the CMOS battery. Also it may happen because of a CMOS battery sometimes, so you can plug and unplug the cable and wait few seconds and then connect it back and then try. So we have tried both the thing at a time. We have cleaned the RAM and unplugged the CMOS battery. Now if you want, you can remove the SSD once and plug it back after cleaning. That also we can try. So let's close the back panel first and then see whether display is coming or not. So I have closed the back panel. Now let's see the display is coming or not. If you have any doubt, comment below, we will reply to your comment. Or if you have any kind of other issue, you can comment that also. So as you can see, the display is coming and it is not beeping or anything, so it is successfully resolved. So if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.